Hi dear students, in this video let's study the ultrastructure of the mitochondria, right? Here the ultrastructure of mitochondria consists of a double membrane. You can find here an outer membrane and inner membrane. In between the space is filled with a fluid and it is called perimitochondrial space because it is present in the surrounding. Then the inner membrane is not continuous and it is folded and thrown into the inner part of the mitochondria in the form of many finger-like projections. Either it may be branched or like this. You can find these are called cristae, singular crista. Each crista to the inner membrane there is small tiny particles attached here with the stop, and these are considered as the Raker's particles or electron transport particles or oxysomes or F0 F1 particles. And each Raker's particle or the so-called oxysome consists of a small base that is attached or embedded inside the inner membrane of mitochondria, and it has a spherical head resting on a short stalk that is attached to the base. And inner to this, the fluid portion is with various enzymes and other components. It is called matrix. This fluid portion within this mitochondrial space, it is called mitochondrial matrix or simply the matrix. It consists of various types of enzymes that is necessary to carry out a part of the cellular respiration. Here, the small spherical structures you find diagrammatically represented here, it is all considered as the ribosomes, and please remember it is 70S type of ribosomes like that of the prokaryotic cell. Unlike it is 80S type of ribosomes which are present attached to the ER and also freely present in the cytoplasm. And these ribosomes are actively involved in synthesizing enzymes and protein necessary for carrying out the Krebs cycle and the terminal oxidation. Here it is also with a small circular DNA. That presence of circular DNA is characteristic of mitochondrial chloroplast, because of which we consider the mitochondrion as a semi-autonomous structure within the eukaryotic cells. And here, what is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration, and the cellular respiration has three different steps. Glycolysis that takes place in the cytoplasm, during which glucose is converted into pyruvic acid, which is the end product. Being inactive, pyruvic acid undergoes oxidative dehydrogenation to form the acetyl-CoA that links the Krebs cycle within the mitochondrial matrix, where the Krebs cycle takes place through series of steps. And finally, the reduced coenzymes that is formed like FMN, NAD, all these are finally converted into ATP molecules in the electron transport system. That is the third important step that occurs in the oxysomes, the so-called Raker's particles, with the help of enzyme ATP synthetase, where ADP is converted into ATP. And since ATP is the energy-rich molecules, high energy compound, and it is considered as currencies of the cells. So ATP is considered as energy currencies of the cell. Since the mitochondria is actively involved in the process of production of energy necessary for cellular activities like growth, development, transport of substances and everything else, mitochondria is considered as the powerhouse of the cell. Is that clear, students? Fine. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and also comment. Thank you so much.